Udah nggak? Enggak.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Arni Nurlina dengan NIM 1951022. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan hasil analisis dari artikel yang saya ambil dengan judul The Effect of Understanding the Concept of Arithmetic on Student Algebra Thinking Ability. Case study on Class 7 student of SMP Negeri 1 Ketanggungan, Brebes Regency. Table of content. The 1. Introduction to research method and subject. 3. Research result and data analysis. 4. Interpretation and discussion. And the last 5, conclusion. Introduction. The issues. Have difficulty in forming mathematical models or sentence from a problem, reading tables and graphs, and understanding patterns or rules in math problems. Research problem. In Indonesia, students start studying algebra after 6 years of studying arithmetic in elementary school. In addition, students who are at the junior high school level are introduction to thinking patterns, algebraically. At this stage, students who are usually faced with something real are required to be able to generalize a real problem in everyday life into an abstract form. Relevant literature. This is in line with Piaget quote by Sobri Sutikno, 2008-13, which states that children aged 12 to 16 years are in the formal operational stage. At this stage, children are already thinking abstractly. Roy R. Spiegel, 1984, 1, suggests that the 4 fundamental operations in algebra as well as in arithmetic are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The aim of the research, the author is interested in conducting research on the understanding of the 7th grade student of SMP Negeri 1 Ketanggungan, Brebes Regency on the concept of arithmetic and how much influence the understanding of the arithmetic concept to this student has on their ability to think algebraically. And the next, research method and subject. Place and time of research. Place at SMP Negeri 1 Ketanggungan, Brebes Regency, time February 25, 213 to April 25, 213. Research method. The method used in this study is quantitative because the data to be processed is related to values or number that can be calculated mathematically by statistical calculation, while the approach taken is a case study. Zainal Arifin, 2011, 152 says that a case study is an in-depth study of an individual, a group, an organization, an activity program, and so on within a certain time. The result of the research will only apply to the selected population, cannot be applied in general in practice before the research instrument was distributed. The researcher did not before the research instrument was distributed, the researcher did not give any treatment to the object selected as the sample. Population sample and sampling technique. Population, 7th grade student in the 2012 to 2013 school years. Sample according to I think Somantri 2006 63. The sample is a small part of the population members taken according to certain procedures so that they can represent the population. Keep in mind that the more samples taken, the closer the result will be to the truth. Sampling technique cluster of the 9 existing classes, class 7F was chosen as the sample class in this study. The sample taken was 35 students of the 7F. The research instrument used intelligence test, which is a test used to make an assessment or estimate of a person's intellectual level by giving various texts to people whose intelligence is measured. The next research result and data analysis, data description, variable X data or understanding arithmetic concept, 25 questions. This test includes questions related to basic arithmetic, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, which are detailed in indicator with different level of difficulty. Descriptive statistic of arithmetic concept understanding. The results like this. Grouping test scores for understanding arithmetic concept like this. Percentage of achievement indicators of arithmetic concept understanding test instrument like this. 2. Data variable Y or algebraic thinking ability. Grouping of algebraic thinking ability test scores like this, like the table. Descriptive statistic algebra thinking ability test result like this. Data analysis, the 1. Normality test like this. The 2. Homogeneity test homogeneity of variance like this. Hypothesis testing, the 1. Linearity test like this. 2. Regression analysis like this. 3. Test the goodness of the model and the coefficient of determination like this. 4. T-test. The value of T-count is 3,718, while the value of T-table is obtained with degrees of freedom decay, and 2. Obtained T 0,025,33 and 2035. Then the value of T-table is 2035. Then the value of T-count is compared with the value of the table. It can be seen that T-table count or 2035 lebih kecil 33,718 those who is rejected and H is accepted. So it can be concluded that there is an effect of understanding arithmetic concept on student algebraic thinking abilities. And the last conclusion, the average value of the arithmetic concept understanding the result is 51,86. The result of the algebraic thinking ability test given obtained an average value of 57,49. And the so that the count 3,718 is greater than the table 2035, then who is rejected, meaning that there is an effect of understanding arithmetic concept on student algebraic thinking skills. The magnitude of this influence can be described through correlation coefficient R of 0,543, meaning that the closeness of the effect of understanding arithmetic concept on algebraic thinking skills is 54,3%. Based on table 3,7, this value is included in the medium category, while the coefficient of determination R square is 0,295 or 29,5%, meaning that 29,5% of student algebraic thinking ability is influenced by understanding arithmetic concept, and 70,5% is influenced by other factor. With the regression equation for the two variables, namely 25,937 plus 0,607x from the equation, the regression coefficient of 0,607 states that every one addition or increase to understanding arithmetic concept will affect student algebraic thinking skills by 0,607. Okay, thank you for attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.